Good morning, children. Today we will do more practice of E sound. So take out your English notebook and write down day and date at the top of the page. Then write the heading, fill in the blanks with E sound words. Write the first one, I dash with my eyes. And the correct word is see. I see with my eyes. Okay. The second one is dash gives us wool. Yes, right. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. The third one is the grass is dash. And the correct word is green. The grass is green. The fourth one is I dash on the bed. And the right word is sleep. Very good. I sleep on the bed. Then draw finishing line. Write the next heading. Match the pictures that rhyme with the following words. Children, here on one side you need to write the words like peel, feed and three. And on the other side, draw the pictures of sweet, bee and wheel. Now children, see, the first word is peel, and you need to find out the picture of the word that rhyme with the word peel. Like, see, the first picture is sweet, the second is bee, then the third is wheel. And you can see that peel and wheel are the rhyming words. Okay, so you need to join the word peel with the picture of wheel. Now see, the second word is feet, and it rhymed with the word sweet. So match the word feet with the picture of sweet. And now we are left with the third word, that is three, and we are left with the picture of bee. And three and bee are the rhyming words. So you need to join these two. Join three with the picture of bee, and at the end draw finishing line. And that is done. Thank you.